Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about email marketing, and I will also show you a few websites which you can use to do email marketing, and you can build your email list so you can reach out to your customers, your clients, etc. If you have a website, then you can install a form on your website so you will have their emails, etc., and it will grow your email list. And I will also show you which website is better and how much they are charging for email building, which website is free, on which website you should start if you are a beginner. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first website which I want to show you is Mailchimp.com. So through Mailchimp you can build your email list and you can do email marketing. So let's check the pricing, and now you can see there are three different options: marketing platform, website and commerce, and transaction email. So in the premium package they are charging $299 per month, and standards it starts from $17 per month. Essential it starts from $11 per month, and there is also a free package where you can get marketing CRM, creative assistant, website builder, and Mailchimp domain, forms, and landing page. So you can build monthly email list, and the sending limit is 10,000 and daily limit is 2,000. So this is a great plan if you are just a beginner. So you can start with this free plan and you can sign up for free, and then you can build a pop-up form on your website, and then you can start collecting emails of your clients or customers, etc. And you can also check some other plans here. For example, this plan is offering much more services. Obviously it's a premium plan. You can get phone and priority support, unlimited seats, and comparative reporting, multivariate testing, etc. And you can also check these other plans, website and commerce. And there are also three plans: free, core, and plus. And in the transactional email there's a free plan for you. You can try it for free. All right, you can check it out and build your email list and start sending emails in bulk so you can grow your business. Now let's go to our next website, which is called getresponse.com. GetResponse is also used for email marketing and collecting your customer emails. You can check the pricing. So there is also a free plan available in GetResponse. In the free plan, you would get unlimited newsletters, one landing page, and website builder. And obviously, you will connect your domain and sign up forms and pop-ups, etc. And then there is email marketing that starts from $15 per month, and marketing automation that starts from $48 per month, e-commerce marketing that starts from $97 per month. So you can choose your favorite plan, and you can also switch between the months, 12 months to monthly, and 24 months. And now let's go to our next website, which is called ActiveCampaign.com. So ActiveCampaign is used for businesses to drive growth with customer experience automation. So ActiveCampaign gives you the email marketing, marketing automation, and CRM tools you need to create incredible customer experience. You can start your free trial with ActiveCampaign, and you can also become an affiliate partner with ActiveCampaign, as I am also a affiliate partner with ActiveCampaign. And now you can check out their pricing. So the ActiveCampaign pricing starts from $9 per month to $149 per month, and there's a plus plan that is $49 per month. You can see the features here: marketing automation, email marketing, unlimited email sendings, drag and drop email builder, 125 plus email templates, subscription forms, segmentation, site and event tracking, campaign and automation reporting. And you can also see these sales suite, services suite, and you can also see these advanced features. These features are B2C. You can also check the B2B features and e-commerce features as well. So there is no free plan active campaign, but you can try it for free for a few days, I think. So if you are looking to automate your email marketing, then you can use ActiveCampaign. All right, now let's go to our next website, which is called drip.com. So drip.com is also used for growing brands and marketing, etc. You can check out their pricing, and it starts from $19 per month, and there is also a 14-day free trial period. So you can check out drip.com, and you can just sign up by using your email or Google account, etc. And you can also check out their services and customer experience by using a free trial. And now let's go to our last website, that is called AWeber.com. AWeber.com is used for growing and selling your businesses and engaging with your customers. Now let's check the pricing of AWeber.com. There's a free plan in AWeber.com and also a pro plan. And in the free plan, you can get up to 500 email subscribers and landing pages, web push notifications, track and drop builder, email templates, sign up forms, e-commerce, and much more. And in the pro plan starts from $16 per month. So you can switch from annually to monthly as well. And you can check out these features. And if you want to sign up for free, you can just sign up by using your email. And obviously there are some features missing in the free plan, like email split testing, behavioral automation, cart abandonment, branding, click tracking links, and remove branding, etc. You have to buy the pro plan if you want to remove AWeber branding. Okay, all right, you can use this website and these free features for doing email marketing and building your email list. I hope you have got some education through this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thanks, take care.